Hey, okay, so I'm going to really quickly show you guys July's shade of the month. So it is this color right here, and it is called Pink Lemonade. So I'm gonna show you what this color looks like on, and I'm gonna take this brush right here. This one is the Shape brush, which is part of Seint's Demi line, and I love this brush for applying my lip and cheek colors just because it has kind of this softer, wispier end, and it gives a really light application and just gives me like that kiss of color on my cheeks. Just one quick note about this brush. Right now, it is actually 20% off on Seint's website. In fact, all of their Demi line brushes are 20% off right now. And the reason why is because if you notice the handle on this, it's kind of got more of like a silver tone to it. They're going to be discontinuing the silver handles and replacing them with ones like this, like the rest of the Seint brushes, which are a little bit more of like a rose goldish type tone or a coppery tone. And so they are trying to get rid of all the silver ones. And so all of them are 20% off right now. So if you haven't grabbed some of those brushes, right now is the ideal time to do it because like I said, they're 20% off and the only difference is it has the silver handle. So very much well worth the investment. So to apply this lip and cheek color, I'm just gonna take the fluffier, bigger end of the Shape brush and I'm just gonna very gently tap it into the color. And then I'm just going to do the same thing right here on my cheek and I'm just going to very gently tap it right above where I've got that contour line and I'm just gonna put it right there on my cheek and then I'm gonna pull it back towards my temple. Now, the reason why I like to use the Shape brush for this particular application is because Pink Lemonade is one of their satin or matte shades. And whenever you get one of their satin or matte shades, they tend to be super pigmented. And so I like to go in with a softer and more wispy brush. And that way it allows me to apply less product. And because it is a cream, it has a buildable coverage. So that way I can start with minimal product. And then if I want to add more, it gives me the ability to kind of build on top of it instead of going in with like too much product all at once. So I like using, like I said, the Shape brush just because it gives me a little bit more control of the application. And then because this is a cream, I can also use it on my lips. And so I'll just show you what that looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like on my cheeks. I love the soft pop of pink that it gives. And then this is what it looks like on my lips. Obviously, it's a little bit more bold on my lips. And I'll be honest, I personally prefer more of a glossy finish over a matte finish for my lips. But I wanted to show you what it looks like with the matte finish first. But what I typically will do when it comes to any lip and cheek color that's more matte is I will go in with Seint's lip conditioner and I will just apply that right on top, just so I can have a little bit more of a glossy finish. But this right here is the finished look. This is using Seint's shade of the month for July, which is called Pink Lemonade. It's only available for the month of July and then while supplies last. So if it happens to sell out during the month of July, then it'll just be gone. So I definitely recommend grabbing it while you can. I think this is such a pretty shade for summer. It's just a really pretty pop of pink. It's a nice bright pink, but I don't feel like it's an overwhelming shade. I feel like it's one of the more softer pinks, even though it's got a lot of like color behind it. Now, just for frame of reference, because I know a lot of people want to know how Pink Lemonade compares to some of the other shades that Seint has. So this right here is some swatches of some of the different shades. This one right here on the top, this one is Pink Lemonade. This one right here is Pink Grapefruit. This one right here is Baby Watermelon, and then this one down here is Dahlia. Now, of the shades, I feel like it's probably the most similar to Baby Watermelon, but as you can see, it's just a little bit more of a softer pink. Like I mentioned, some of these have a little bit more of like depth to them, and this one I feel like is just more of a softer pop of pink. So I would definitely recommend grabbing Pink Lemonade while it's available. I think it is a super pretty shade and it is perfect for the summertime. So I will go ahead and I will link Pink Lemonade and then I will also link the Shape brush that I use to apply it. And then if you are interested in the other makeup products that I use, I will go ahead and link my color match form. Go ahead and fill it out and I will help color match you to your perfect shades and let you know everything you need to get started with this incredible line of makeup. And then if you are interested in the business side of Seint and would like to learn more about what I do as an artist, I will also link up some information about that. Take a look at it, and then if it's something you decide you would like to be a part of, I would love to have you join my team.